Good evening, friends. Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania, with the final installment on this finished basement. We want to show you the afters and let you see how this came out. So let's go for a walk. Come on inside. Customer's absolutely thrilled with how everything came together. So we thought we'd give you the tour and let you see what's going on. A far cry different from where we started. If you go to the back at the beginning of this playlist here on YouTube and you check out the befores, you can really get a sense for what this used to look like. So this is going to be their workout space over on this side of things. And when we first got down here, we had raw insulation on the walls. There was no ceiling, there was no electrical in here. And so this has been completely put together from scratch. Drywall insulation, framing insulation, drywall, painting it. Customer took care of the paint and his own trim work. And we had a couple of odds and ends details to finish up and put together. But absolutely came out gorgeous. He's going to mount some entertainment stuff on the wall here, sounds like, and maybe some surround sound speakers. I know we had some wires pulled for that before things got rock and roll. So that's what's kind of going on this side. We've got an access panel to get to the back side of the frost-free hose bib. So if you need to get in there to turn water off to access that, to change anything out, you have the option to do that. We've got recessed light cams, and we actually went up, there was a change order partway through this project. He actually decided he wanted more than we had originally spec'd, and he wanted to add a couple of places in there. And so those came in as well. So we've got the door back into the mechanical room here with the furnaces, double doors back here into a storage area. These are pocket, that's a swing, and came together real nice. So walk around the other side so you can see what's going on. And it's the same thing, we got a little bit of plumbing back there behind that access panel. This is more storage he's got behind the stairs, so you can access it either from this side or from the other side over here. That guy's behind the staircase. Again, pocket doors, so it doesn't interfere with this living space on either side, whether the storage back there or the living space out here. Trimmed out all the windows, so they're gorgeous looking as well. And just a lot more functional space. So we wanted to get in and kind of shoot the after video, let you see what everything looked like before he got in and started moving furniture back in and getting the workout equipment back in place. Project just came together super nice. So tied into their existing drywall on the staircase, and we've got another access panel on the ceiling for some shutoff valves for some other places that we had to get to just to make sure that he was able to get into all those pieces. So if we can help you finish a basement, renovate your bathroom, your kitchen, your master, whatever it might be, give our team a call weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. We'd be happy to assist you with a new custom home build, an addition on your house, a garage, renovating some existing space, and anything on the interior, exterior, roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks on the inside of your bathrooms, your kitchens, your basements, and of course those plumbing and electrical challenges along with your drywall and paint. Give our team a call. We'd be happy to help. We are a registered Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078. Remember, when we're finished with your project, you're going to be proud to say it's not just done. It was CopeBUILT. This is Drew here in West Grove, Pennsylvania. We will catch you guys on another video. Bye for now.